Hi guys, so today we decided to go on a little train journey because that walk yesterday really tired us out. My legs have gone like jelly. So what we're doing is we're in Llanberis and we're going to do the little train around the lake. So why don't you come along and join us on that? So that's where you go ahead and buy your tickets from. And there's a nice little shop in there. When you buy your tickets, if you've got dogs with you, they actually give you a doggy treat. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to walk up to the platform and wait for the train. Let's just go over here and look at this notice board. There you go guys, you can see this is quite an old railway that goes around the lake. Price wise it weren't too bad. We've got 2 adult tickets and 2 dogs. It comes to £24, which ain't too bad. I thought it would be a lot more than that, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So what we do now is we go up on the platform and we wait for the train to come in. We'll just wait here. So here comes a little steam train that we're going to be getting on, guys. Thank you. Okay guys, we're on the train now. This takes roughly about an hour and we're about to set off.
Lost the shadowlands, where brother bear is weeping his deepest lament. Sister moon sings so sweet, trying her best to bring relief. She sings, cold winds must be endured. Everything's still under a bit of freeze. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Brother Bear slowly drifted.
Okay guys, we've come to the end of the line now, so we're just waiting for the steam train to swap ends and head back towards the start.
The cold winds blew. Soon came the thaw of spring. Mother sun sings a song so sweet. Blooms start to bud. Green world is free. Every spring we are reborn. From the gentle tide to the playful fall. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Here comes summer with flowers in her hair. The whole wide world shrugging off its grief and cares. Brother dragonfly spreads his rainbow wings. Says we must embrace all the sunlight brings. Every summer we are like golden daughters, dancing on the crystal blue lakes. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Deep in the wood, Brother Bear can see the way the days cool down. The trees begin their change. Father Time is weaving an autumn melody. It's harvest time. The earth yields her seed. Every autumn the bounty of life. Some things must grow and some things must die. Seasons must change, don't lament the way. It's always been, it will always be. It's always been, it will always be.
So there you go guys, that was that train journey. That was really enjoyable. What did you think of that, Marie? She's not going to answer because she's camera shy. We get her on here one day. So what we're going to do now guys is we're just going to head back to the campsite now and get some food, because it's very chilly out today. So I'll catch you guys in a bit.